Hi everybody, today I'm actually going to be going out to do a segment of my tutorial which is about the exposure triangle, and today we're going to just do the shutter element. And for this I'm actually going to go to a waterfall not far from where I live. It's about 15-20 minutes drive, called Goit. Beautiful little gem. I'll obviously be doing the vlog as you go along. Baby's crying in the background. But before I do that, I actually wanted to say thanks for all my subscribers and all my followers over here. I really appreciate all you guys tuning in and following and subscribing, even though I'm not probably delivering as often as I should, and I do apologize for that. But the last 2 weeks have been pretty hectic with my daughter having quite a life-changing operation, so we're just on the road for recovery for that. So sorry for that. And again, I am doing my other videos as well, which I'm trying to deliver as soon as I can. But once we're on the road, we're not going to stop. What I've got though for you today is something really exciting. I'm actually going to be giving away some stuff. This isn't anything special as in 500 subscribers, because I'm not far off, but whatever. We'll pretend it is if you want. But anyways, just a thank you for everybody. I'm actually going to be giving 3 of my favorite images, and these are probably my all-time favorite images. If you're not quite sure, my London images did quite well for me and actually put myself on the map around the world. Actually did a lot of favors for me, and these images were highly successful, and they're available from Microsoft's website as a theme for your Windows desktop, which are available here somewhere. I'll drop a link so you can click on that and it'll say save as, save it to your desktop, and boom, you've got them on there. So the images in question, this image was the top seller as a print. This is of a London, this is a Big Ben, taken on a wide length, as you can see. That's a canvas. It's a 16-12 canvas, and it's absolutely stunning. I'm not going to be I'll have to think about postage and stuff in the UK and abroad, obviously. I'll have to see what it works out to and how. Actually, you know what, I'm going to post it anywhere, so no matter where you are, if you want that one, let me know. I also have my second award-winning shot, which is this one. This one is Admiralty Arch in Trafalgar Square, going down to Buckingham Palace, just through the arches of here. So this did me, this won me quite a bit of awards with that one, so I'm very, very proud of that one. That's also in the London theme image. And thirdly is this one of the financial district, what's it called now? Canary Wharf in London. So this one was taken at night time. Well, they all were taken at night time. This was taken with some really good friends of mine. We all went together and we did that shot. Some of us got some really good shots. That was my saturated choice. Let me just make sure I know the size of this. Be back in a sec. If you're not sure, measure. So these are, I remember, 16 by 20, so I was right. I don't know why I was doubting myself then. 16 inches by 20 inches. Canvases already strong. If you want any one of these, please share this video or comment down below as well that you've shared it, and which canvas you want. I will pick 3 lucky winners in 2 weeks time. Local delivery is perfect for me. If you want to meet me, pick them up, you're more than welcome to do that. But if you want to post them to you, I'll try my best. I'll see what I can. I'm not going to promise, but I'm going to try my best. So here they are once again. Big Ben, Admiralty Arch, and Canary Wharf, and they are stunning. Okay, so I'm going to carry on packing my stuff, and what we'll do is we'll head off to the waterfall. I will see you there. See you in a bit. So here we are on the way to the waterfall. Notice I've got no bag with me today. I've actually got a Sherpa or a carrier, so to speak.
Found yourself a porter.
I found myself a porter. This young man over here, it's a good friend of mine called Mahbub, and if you ever do need your hair sorting out, you need to come to him.
I don't do his, by the way.
Oh, he doesn't do mine, by the way. Yeah, he does. He's the one who's sorted all this out. So yeah, me and my boo, we do often go out hiking and walking and stuff like that quite a bit. So we've been knowing each other since we were kids, and we've had wee high, and the one falls over there. And so we tried to go local because my boob hasn't actually been to these areas around here, so I thought I'd go show him around Goit. What we're actually doing is I'm doing a few things today. Like I mentioned, another thing that I'm doing today is I'm doing a segment for shutter today, shutter speed and how it actually works. So I'm going to give you different ideas, and I'm going to take a shot at the end of it as well. My boob is actually testing out the bag, which I actually wasn't too keen on. Do you remember my really boring vlog? You can see over here. The reason I called it a very boring vlog, and I said to you I'm going to talk about a bag, but I didn't tell you what it was. I'm really tired because of the bag. I've got a new bag, but I'm not really going to talk about it just yet until I've sorted something out, and I'll tell you more about the bag. Right, so my boobs, hold on 1 second. This is a beautiful bag. It's the Atomos Osprey Atomos 50. I bought, and it comes in a medium. I bought the Atomos 65 in a large because I went on the website, did the torso measurement according to what I thought, and it was a large. Now, John, if you're watching, you remember I had problems with the bag. So the problem I was having was the parts that go over your waist. Actually, in this one they have a metal bar that comes over, and it's where it holds all the weight, and it feels absolutely really good when you're walking on the straight. But it's as soon as you start going uphill that it starts digging into your legs. Now maybe, well, it obviously was a little bit long for me, and it really did put me off. So I then bought the Kestrel, which I prefer so much better. It feels lighter, it feels better, but it doesn't actually hold the weight away like this baby does. It is really good for that. How are you finding the bag, my boob?
Fine. Well, we've only what 5 minutes, so
do you know,
I can't really say anything at the moment, but
it's got a few of my stuff in it. It's not massively heavy. Do you feel the weight on your back? Could you feel? You don't, do you?
Don't feel nothing.
It really, I can't actually explain it. It feels like the weight's hovering, or you put it on and you go, where's the weight gone? That's how beautiful these guys have made this bag. The technology and the thinking behind it is stunning. But yeah, I bought the Kestrel. I really like the Kestrel. It's got a softer waistband, much easier for me to hold, and it's got a 68 litre one, so I can get more gear in there. And he doesn't, my boob does not need anything bigger than the 50. So I'm now contemplating what we're going to try test this bag, see how we feel, and then I may go back and exchange it again. I don't know. I just can't get over the way the weight holds. It's stunning. And change it again because I've already changed it twice. They're alright in Go Outdoors. They're stunning people, amazing customer service. You cannot fault Go Outdoors for anything.
You really can't.
They're just so amazing. Okay, I'm going to stop blabbing on because I don't want this to get any longer than a couple of minutes. So let's get a little bit of B-roll and then we'll talk soon. See ya. Okay, so here we are. I'm not quite sure if you're going to be able to hear me because obviously the sound of the waves behind. If I turn around, maybe it's going to be quite gushing. So I'm going to quickly set up, get a few shots because we have come a little bit late. It's 8:30, and we are going to lose the light that we've got. Sunset isn't very far off, but yeah, beautiful in Bradford. Good stop. We love you. Okay, so I found my composition just over here. I've just decided to do something a little bit different. I want like a longer shot perhaps. I've got my 24-70, which I'm going to use for this one. I'm going to use a filter eventually, but for now I'm going to try use no filters and just slow the go through the shutter speed and see what it looks like in different shutter speeds, so you can understand better what it looks like. Okay, so I'm gonna nip off over there and then start shooting. Right, so that's that done. I've got a few shots that I wanted to show the effects of shutter speed, and one or two shots to show the aperture and what it does. And like I said, it's a beautiful little waterfall. Let's just enjoy that. It was just a quick vlog just to say hello everybody. I hope you're all doing fine. Don't forget to enter the competition which I put in the beginning, and enter. All you gotta do is comment, tell me you've done it, and share the video on YouTube, or sorry, on Facebook and Instagram as a link, or however you wish. If it's on Facebook, it's gotta be the actual thing. So 3 amazing canvases: London, Big Ben, Canary Wharf, and the third one was Admiralty Arch. I don't admire that myself. Amazing pictures. Get on there, and I will see you in the next video soon. Until then, guys, see you later. So it's a bit dark now, as you can see. Well, can't see really. I think the sun's kind of gone downish. It's getting dark. It looks brighter in the video than it actually is. Heading back now, but I'm just gonna put an image on the screen now. Tell me what you think of it. This image is the only reason I bought the Samsung S9 Plus. But the only reason I got it was for the Pro camera and the fact that I can use the Nissi P1 filter on it. That's it. That's the only reason I bought it, and you can get some stunning images. So this was taken on the auto mode on the camera, sorry, on the Pro mode on the camera of the Samsung S9 Plus. I don't know what the aperture was, but it'll be whatever the camera set at, 1.4, 2.8 or something. And then, no, I don't think you can really. ISO was on 50, because on 100 it was too bright, so I brought it down to 50. Not bad, eh? So guys, like they say, the best camera is one that you have with you at the time. I mean, today I have 3, but I used 2 of them. Yeah, 4, including my boob's camera. But today I just used this one to show you that what you can do with it. Now this image has been edited in Lightroom. Don't be shy to do this. If you do have Adobe subscription, you can get the mobile version for free. You just sign in and it updates all your settings, and it can update all your presets as well. So it's a great little tool to use. So until next time, guys, bye from me. See you soon. Don't forget the competition, and please, if you did like this video, comment, subscribe, and see you later. Bye.